Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we dive into the video, I want to take this opportunity to thank you all. But still, if you haven't subscribed, if you are new to this channel, please do all to like and subscribe, put on your notification bell so that anytime I drop a new video, you'll be the first to get it. So let's dive into the video. In today's video, I am going to show you guys how to insert a table in Microsoft Word and how to insert a picture, and also how to use the find and replace, and last but not the least, how to insert a page number. So these are the 4 things we are going to learn about today: how to insert a table, how to insert a picture, how to use find and replace, and how to insert page numbers. So first of all, I have a random text in my Word document currently, and we are going to work on how to insert a table in Microsoft Word. So before you insert a table, first you go to insert in the menu bar. Insert in the menu bar. This is the menu bar. Then you see table in the ribbon, so you select table. So in the table, you've been given boxes which you can select the number of table rows or number of columns you want. So here, just hover on it and you get the number of table rows or columns you want. So here I want 4 by 5. So I can type days, then let me do it this way. Okay, days, morning, afternoon, and evening. Okay, so the days we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So someone might say that, oh, the days of the week are 7. We have Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. But currently our table row is finished. So how do we insert more? We just go to, so when you are working on the table, you will see that this side they've brought something like table tools in the menu bar. So you see design and layout. So you go to layout, then you see something here, insert below, the rows and columns. You come to insert below. Voila, then you get your next table row. So we want 3, so let's add 2 more. 1, 2. Okay, here we go. So you can type in Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So this is just the food we are going to eat within the week. So we can put rice, banku, and porridge. So we can go like this on and on and on. I don't want to waste time. So this is how we basically insert tables into your Word document. You can format the table. You can choose any design you want for the table. So you can come to design and with this side, table styles. You can choose any table style you want, how you want it. If you want it this way, you can get it. If you want it this way, anyhow you want. So that's for table styles. And maybe you want some lines to come and some not to come. So you can go to borders. Then maybe I don't want the left border to come, or I don't want the right border to come. I don't want all borders to come. I don't want the bottom border. So any way you want it, you can edit it to suit your taste. Okay, I hope you guys understand. So let's move to how to insert a picture. How to insert a picture. Currently, I'm not having any picture on my computer, but I'll see what I can do. So if you want to insert a picture, same way, you go to insert, then you go to pictures. So you'll be given a pop-up to insert whatever picture you want. So you just find where your picture is, and you click on it, then you go to insert. That is it. But currently I'm not having any pictures on my machine, so I can't insert any. Okay, I think I have one here. Okay, so this is basically how to insert a picture. You just go to insert, then you select pictures. The pop-up will come, then you choose the file you want to insert into your document. Okay, so let's move to how to insert a page number. How to insert a page number. So basically, when we work with large sums of data in our Microsoft Word documents, we have a lot of pages in our document. So we have to number them so that in case we print them, we can arrange them or something. So to insert a page number, you go to the same insert, then you look for page number. On top of header and footer, you look for page number. Then mostly our page numbers go to the bottom of the page, so we choose bottom of the page. Then we choose the middle. Maybe some want it to be at the first side of the sheet, but mostly I choose the bottom middle, so I'll go for that one. Yes, so our page numbers have been inserted. So when you look here, we have 1, 2, 3. It will follow like that. But sometimes our page numbers, we don't want it in numbers. We want Roman numerals. So how do we do it? We go back to our page number, then we go to format page numbers. Then when you look at number format, you tap on that, then you choose the Roman numerals. Then you go to OK. So you see that it has changed from 1 to I. This side to I. So this is basically how to insert a page number or Roman numerals as your page number. Okay, so let's look at the last one. How to use the find and replace. How to use a find and replace. Maybe you have a large document and you are looking for a particular word or a particular phrase, but you can't find it because the words are too many, or your work is too many. So what you do is you use the find option. So with find, the shortcut for find is Ctrl plus F. So you just press Ctrl plus F, then a pane will come like this, navigation. Then you just type in the word you want. Maybe I'm looking for themes. So the results will be given here. So which one do I want? This one. So it will take me to this one. So here we are finding a particular word or a particular phrase. You understand? We are just looking for a particular word or a particular phrase, so that our navigation through our works will be easier. So let's look at how to use the replace words. Replace, the shortcut for replace is Ctrl plus H. So when you press Ctrl H, replace. So what do we want to find and what do we want to replace? So we want to replace maybe themes with let's say style. We want to replace theme with styles. So what do? We just tap on replace all. So all done. When you come into your document and you check, every place which had theme will be changed to styles. Every place which had themes will be changed to styles. So let's try and find themes. Now there are no more themes because everything has been changed to styles. Okay, so this is how we use the find and replace option. I hope you guys loved my video. Please do all to like and subscribe and leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out. See you in the next video.